Hello everyone, this video tutorial is about Boolean values, Boolean operators and comparison operators. For this tutorial I'm not going to use the PyCharm IDE. Instead I can use the integrated development and learning environment, which is also known the Python shell, which is available after installing the Python. In the Python shell you can enter one command, one expression at a time, and it will execute that expression, and when you will hit the enter it will print the result or execute the statement. So I will use this shell to demonstrate the Boolean values, Boolean operators and comparison operators. So first of all, what is Boolean? Boolean is a data type just like the integer, float or string data types. While the string, integer and float data types can have unlimited number of values, here the Boolean will have only two values, true and false. So true will start with a capital T and false will start with a capital F. Now Boolean operators. There are three Boolean operators: and, or, and not. The first two, and or operators, are binary Boolean operators because these two require minimum two expressions, one on left hand side and one on right hand side, to be evaluated to a true or false. On the other hand, the not Boolean operator will operate on a single value. This is a truth table for and Boolean operator. On the expression side, we can have two or more values. The expression will be evaluated to true only when all the values are true, otherwise false. I can test it with Python shell. So on the left hand side, if I have a value true, and on the right hand side I have a value true as well, the evaluated result will be true. Otherwise, if one value is true and other value is false, it will be evaluated to false. This is the truth table for or Boolean operator. Here the expression will be evaluated to true if any of the value in the expression is true. It will be false only when all the values in the expression are false. So for or truth table, if I enter true or true, it will be evaluated to true. If one value is true and one value is false, still it will be evaluated to true. It will be false only when all the values in the expression are false. This is the truth table for not Boolean operator. In the expression, it is clear that it will work on, or it will operate on, only one value. So the result will be the opposite of the value. So if the actual value is true, the result will be false or the opposite. So not true will evaluate to false, and not false will evaluate to true. Next we have the comparison operators. Here I have an expression which is a combination of comparison and Boolean operators. So 4 less than 5 will evaluate to true, then 5 less than 6 evaluates to true. So for the and Boolean operator, if both values are true, then the result will be true. I have another expression here. This expression is a combination of math operators, comparison operators and Boolean operators. First, the math operators will be evaluated, then the comparison operators will be evaluated, the Boolean operators will be evaluated, but in a sequence, in So the first not will be evaluated, then and will be evaluated, and if there is any or in the expression, that will be evaluated at the last. So if I hit the return key or enter key, the result will be evaluated to true. 4 is equal to 4. This will give us a true value. Then we have and not. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is equal to 5. It will give us a false. Then and 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, which is true. So this will be the expression after evaluating the math operators and comparison operators. Now we have the not operator. So this will be evaluated first. So not false, it will become true. So we will have the expression as true and true and true. So for the AND operator, if all the values are true, the result will be true. So this is how the comparison operators, Boolean operators, and math operators are used in the programming for complex or mixed expressions. In next tutorial, I will discuss about the flow control statements. Thanks for watching.